Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you if, and else code blocks. If is a keyword, it comes with the conditional statement. If it is conditional statement is true, it follows the if block. Otherwise, it follows the else if block. If multiple else if blocks are written in one after other, if one else if block is true, it follows that sequence. If it is not true, it checks for the another else if block condition. If it is not true, it comes with the another else if block condition, and it goes on that, and finally it reaches to the else block. If none of the if and else if blocks are considered as a true condition is not true, then it comes with the else block. Finally, it executes the else block. So this is the flow of a execution. In between if and else if and else, there is no other blocks are accepted. Just it follows one after other. I will explain you practically. Please follow. In this session, I am going to explain you what is if, else if and else example practically. So I will keep some of the code as it is, and I will start with if condition. If number equals to 10, print. Please follow my code so that you can understand how you are going to write elif. You can write any number of elif statements as you need it. Finally, it comes with the else. It is a simple example. I'm taking a number from input terminal. So I'm checking with if condition whether it is number equal to 10 or not. If it is number equal to 10, then it prints the number is 10. It checks with the else if block if number is not 10, and if there is number is 20, it will follow the block of code, and it will print number is 20. If it is not true, even number is not 10, number is not 20, and if number is 30, it will follow the sequence, print number is 30. From if to all elifs or every condition is false, then finally it reaches to the else block. It prints number is not 10, 20, 30. Simple. I'm executing it. I entered a 15. Number is not 10, 20, 30. result we got as expected. I will rerun. I will 20. Number is 20. First it checks with the number equal to 10. It is false. Then it followed the else if block. It is number equal to 20. So that's why number is 20. It is printed. I will rerun it. Number is 30. It checks with the if and else if both are not true, so then it is followed the uh, else if block from the sixth line. So this is given a output. I hope you understood. I see you in the next session.